One of the best side hustles for the beginners is start writing and selling the ebooks on the popular websites. I will mention all of them in the video later. Freelance jobs and translating the articles can also be quite profitable income nowadays. If you possess 1 or 2 foreign languages, it's high time to apply them on practice. I will let you know how to start and what to do. And for those with high level of creativity, I will tell you all the other best ways to make money remotely, like starting a YouTube channel or selling your unique DIY products on Etsy. But keep in mind, although all these side hustles have an incredible earning potential, there is no such thing as an overnight success, and you should still learn new things while working on them. Without further ado, now let's start with a super flexible side hustle number 1. By selling the photos online, you can easily make an extra $100 a month. Of course, you won't become rich from it, but if you know the basics of photography and keyword optimization, then the chances of making good money in this industry can be pretty high. Despite an extreme competition, the easiest ways for the beginners to start is to create the professionally looking portfolio. You have to consistently upload the high-quality images in order to get noticed. Fortunately, there are a lot of stock photo websites allowing you to significantly accelerate the process of attracting the first customers. The best established 3 which I always recommend are Elemis, Stocksy and Shutterstock. On some of them, from the very beginning, you have to meet the standard requirements in order to pass a verification. This process may take a few weeks, be patient. But when you are accepted, take up a habit to upload the images that people are searching for. Don't shoot the random stuff. Of course, the most interesting question is, how much can you earn when selling photography? Well, the numbers can be discouraging, especially for the beginners. You should expect around 5–10 cents, sometimes 20. On average, it takes to upload around 100,000 photos in order to generate a good income every month. Number 2. Freelance writing is also one of the high-paying side hustles today, but achieving a massive success here is only possible when you are willing to work hard, especially for the first 2 months. For the beginners, I do recommend to start building your portfolio first with writing the small blog posts, because it will be much easier for you to find more serious and well-paid projects later. Once you get enough experience, you will definitely switch to creating content for such websites like Google and social media giants, Facebook, Instagram. The best places for you to start are FlexJobs, Upwork and Contena. FlexJobs is the ideal marketplace for those who are looking for flexibility and full-time occupation. All the projects available here are seriously moderated, so you won't have the issues when it comes to the job authenticity and payouts. Upwork is also quite popular and reliable marketplace among the freelancers. You can find a lot of different tasks here, copywriting, different documents translation, etc. However, the only con of this marketplace is it charges high fees for freelance, what can be a main obstacle at the beginning, especially for the students. Now a sweet moment. Once you build a good portfolio, you will earn pretty impressive money from a freelance. For example, blog articles can be charged $25 and above, social media posts from $1 to $10, and professionally written ebook can be sold for $100. And this is in the worst case scenario. Number 3. One of the best side hustles you can do from home today is to start your own shop on Etsy. This is the platform where you can sell your unique DIY goods such as vintage collections, homemade stuff, and of course some digital products. Before you start, I do recommend that you perform a meticulous analysis of the current trends on the market. Otherwise, it will be difficult to stand out from your competitors. Try to figure out what other people sell and then make a similar product. Don't reinvent the wheel. You will have 2 options to launch a shop with the standard and plus accounts. Choose the second. It costs around $10 a month. Its main benefit is to give you more visibility on the platform. Combining this opportunity with your personal promotion can be a good start, especially if you don't have mass following on social media or a huge email list. Don't neglect or taking high-quality pictures of all the goods you're gonna sell. Attractive images will get you more clicks and lots of new clients. Another tip to having a success on Etsy is to make a strong SEO. Many people always fail at the beginning because they don't understand the importance of optimization for higher ranking. Be smart, choose wisely the keywords for your titles, descriptions and listings. Your wasted efforts will be rewarded, just trust me. Number 4. You have to start a YouTube channel. This is one of the best side hustles to make money online today, tomorrow and in the future. Despite the tons of videos uploaded every minute and high competition, you can still start and grow your channel. Don't believe those who say, YouTube is oversaturated, it's too late. It's not true. Just pick a topic you are passionate about and start creating high-quality content that people are searching for. But don't shoot the videos for yourself. You have to provide a value in your content, otherwise no one is gonna watch you. From my personal experience, I can tell you, just shoot 50 videos. Yes, they will be horrible. But the more mistakes you make, the more experience will come, allowing you to produce really engaging videos. The opportunities which YouTube gives us today are fantastic. You can get monetized with its partner program. You can also get the brand deals after having established a solid base of followers. After all, you can promote the goods I mentioned earlier by means of your channel, consequently attracting the new international clients. YouTube is definitely one of the best platforms where you can start a new or upscale the current business, thus wise creating the multiple income sources. Side hustle number 5. It's a little bit similar to the number 3 from today's list, but different. Not everyone knows that the clothes we don't wear can help us to earn money online on a consistent basis. And the Poshmark is one of the best marketplaces, where selling the second-hand goods can easily turn into a profitable hobby. Don't miss this opportunity. Nowadays there is a strong demand for discount fashion. The offered tools on this website will help you to reach the 100,000 potential clients around the globe. Adding the clothes you have but not wear is a good start. There is no rush to buy the super cool designer items in order to sell them. But if you have some, then feel free. I would say that the sport shoes like Nike, Adidas and high quality cosmetics from Versace and Armani are sold on Poshmark like the hotcakes. If you want to become really successful and generate a lot of sales, the main thing I recommend you to do is to set an adequate and reasonable prices for all your goods. When someone made the first order, just ship your goods as quickly as possible. You will get the legit references from your customers instantly, what overall can positively affect your online shop credibility and further promotion. If you want to know more about profitable ideas on how to make a good amount of money today, then check out this video. I hope you find today's topic helpful. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting content later.